When it comes to using active target, you know, what I like to do for my trolling motor is a lot of times I have it pretty fast. I'll have it half to 3/4 throttle or so, kind of depending on conditions. Relatively slick calm today, it's really easy. I mean, I can have this bow mount at a half throttle or so. That'll get me going 1.5 miles an hour. But what I can do then is just basically move my boat along, but when I start panning left and right, I almost always pull my foot off the constant button. And that way my boat continues to track straight, and then I just turn the head left and right where it's not engaged with the prop, where it's pulling the boat left, it's pulling the boat right. And also you're getting a lot of shaft flex in the trolling motor, which is distorting your picture as well. So if I just keep my trolling motor pointed straight when I have my foot on the gas, and just turn right and left to scan and pan around without it, it just creates a lot more stable platform and a lot more stable picture. And it just allows you to, once you lock on a fish, you can follow it a lot easier before you start having to worry about if the boat's spinning on you. So that's just one of the things that I like to do when I'm using active target, is just keep my foot on constant when it's going straight. Obviously, once I make my cast, to me, when I make a cast at a fish, that's like my marker buoy, because then I can allow myself to basically pull my boat towards wherever I just made the cast, my line being the marker, and at the end of the day, it just helps me pinpoint and realign back on those fish.